Hi solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 4 from our series 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. Have you ever found yourself in a dilemma where a supplier has dropped the ball, or worse, a supplier has turned out to be someone you wish you'd never met? If so, then listen up. Tip number 4 is for you. Here it is. Only do business with reputable sellers. To protect yourself from risks such as counterfeit products, negligence, botched orders, and the like, make sure you pre-qualify sellers. Start by verifying they're a legitimate company. This step can be done quickly for the U.S. companies visiting the Secretary of State website for the state of their business that they're headquartered in. Search the company name in the business directory. If the company is incorporated, the search results will produce details and incorporation of whether the company is good business standing. Reputable wholesalers come with success, records, and recommendation that can easily be located online. They maintain professional digital appearances, such as websites and social media profiles. Their customers have written positive reviews about their products and services. They tend to be members of trade associations and chambers of commerce. When you have narrowed down the list of suppliers you are interested in doing business with, be prepared to ask them qualified questions. We offer a list of 12 questions for potential suppliers in our free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Buying Wholesale Solar Equipment, which is available for download on EnergyBin's website. By the way, if you're in the market to buy used or refurbished equipment, only buy from a seller who has established credibility and who can guarantee the equipment meets generally accepted safety parameters for the area. Verify that the seller offers a money-back guarantee if the equipment does not perform as advertised generation levels. Determine if the seller offers limited services warranties. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips and resources about buying and selling wholesale equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar exchange community, visit our website or give us a call today.